C# sealed class. What is sealed class in C#? When you have class as base class and you want that any other derived class cannot inherit this base class, then we declared the base class as sealed class. The sealed keyword also can be used with method, property or event in the derived class to prevent further overriding. This is often done to protect the integrity of a class or to prevent unintentional modifications to its behavior. You can declare a class as a sealed class. When you make a class sealed, it cannot be further overridden. You cannot further use it as a base class for other classes. In given example of sealed class, public is an access modifier. The keyword sealed indicates that this class cannot be inherited by any other class. Class is keyword, fruit is name of the class. Sealing a method. You can declare a method sealed. When you make a method sealed, it means it cannot be further overridden in any derived class. This type of declaration is typically used to protect the behavior of a method defined in the base class. Here, fruit is the parent class, which has the taste virtual method. Watermelon is child class that is inherited with fruit class. In watermelon child class taste, method has overridden. The Sweetwater class also inherited from the watermelon class. As the taste method is sealed in the watermelon class, whenever we try to access the tate method in the Sweetwater class, it will give a compile time error. Sealing a property or event. You can also mark properties and events as sealed in a similar manner to prevent them from being further overridden or hidden in derived classes. Here, fruit is the parent class that has the virtual property color. The watermelon class inherits from the fruit class, which means it has an overridden property called color, and this overridden property is sealed. We have a Sweetwater class that is inherited from the watermelon class. In the Sweetwater class, if we try to access the color property, we will receive a compile time error. What are advantages of the sealed class? Prevents inheritance. Ensures the class cannot be inherited, protecting its implementation. Improves performance. Allows runtime optimizations since no derived class can override its methods. Enhances security. Stops unwanted modification of class behavior through inheritance. Simplifies design. Keeps the class behavior fixed and easier to understand and maintain. What are disadvantages of the sealed class? No extensibility. A sealed class cannot be inherited, limiting reuse and customization. Reduced flexibility. You cannot override or modify behavior through subclassing. Testing limitations. Makes mocking or extending the class harder in unit tests. Rigid design. Future changes may require modifying the sealed class directly instead of extending it. A sealed keyword makes it possible for a base class that it cannot be further inherited or overridden, and it usually applies to those members that are declared as virtual, abstract, or overridden. You cannot seal a member that is not marked as one of these modifiers. Using sealed can be a useful way to protect certain parts of your codebase from modification or accidental misuse. Thank you for watching this C# sealed class tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.